Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys probably know already with just one video, I am obsessed with stationery and I am obsessed with like different types of like washi tapes and like organizing bins and just a lot of arts and crafts stuff, and I hoard it. I use it, but I hoard it too. So today we're going to be doing a Michaels slash Tuesday morning slash Amazon kind of haul. So I'm going to go ahead and start with Michaels, then go to Tuesday morning, and then lastly is Amazon, because I did only get a lot of like little bit of things from Amazon. So the first thing that I got from Michaels, because they were having a sale and I can't resist a sale. I am like the perfect consumer. I see a sale, I see it in my email, and I'm like, I have to go. So there's that. So the first thing that I got was these stamps. They're from Studio G and they came in 7 different colors. I got all 7 colors and I got 3 of each of the colors, which I am putting in this bin that I got at Target. So you guys can see them there. So I got this lime green, then I got this silver, and then I got black because you always need black. Black is just basic, necessary that you need. I also got this blue one and this fuchsia one. And then there was this other darker blue one there too that was in there, and I'm like, it's blue, but it's a different shade of blue, so I need both of them. And let me go ahead and see. So like I said, I did go ahead and get 7 different colors, or 8 different colors. And then this one is red, and I got 3 of each. So I'm keeping them in this cute little bin with all the other stamps, like stamper pads that I have, and those are put away, but I'm gonna move them to this and they're gonna have a new home. The second thing that I got at Michaels, and these were all like in the checkout aisle, like right before you go and pay for all your things. I got these 3 packs of twine. These were all 99 cents. And I really like these because I'm actually using these for a DIY project that I'm currently working on that I will post later on this week. The third thing that I got was these mini glue sticks that are for the glue guns. I got 4 packs of these because these come into play with that DIY that I keep mentioning. I got these 4 little jars. These were also 99 cents, and I'm going to be using these for my paper clips and my big clips that you have, and for staples. That I think these are the cutest little things, and they're clear, so I can see like what color they are, or like what kind of designs they have and things like that. So I like them to be either see-through, white, or like that acrylic-y color. And then the next thing I got was these stamps. I actually got 6 different stamps. I got this one that says party, and it's a cupcake. I also got this cute little cactus. I got this pineapple, and this one that says cheers. And the last 2 that I got, this one was actually really cute. It says hello baby, and I just like this because it's tiny, and then like if you plan on making invitations or something for like a baby shower, you can always just like seal it with this little stamp. And then this last one that I got says congrats grad. I will actually be using this next year when I graduate, so I'm very excited for that already. The 4th thing or 5th thing that I got from there was this, and this was actually in the clearance aisle. I don't know if you guys know her, Rosanna Pansino. She has a YouTube channel as well, and she's been going on for years. I used to watch her when she first started out. She would make, or she still makes, these amazing cakes. I remember that she made a Minecraft cake, a Walking Dead cake, a Superman cake, and these were originally $12. I ended up getting it for $7, so save some money there. And then I got these other Wilton cake frosting tips, and I'm very excited to use these because I've always wanted to buy them. They're always full price, and they're a little bit on the pricier side. So when I saw these in the clearance bin, I'm just like, you're coming home with me. And then I also got, let me see, so this one, not proud of it, but I'm also very happy because I stocked up. I got this at Target, but that's not what I'm just going to show you guys. I'm going to show you guys this. I got 82 different washi tapes now, and I'm not proud, but I'm also not proud, but I'm also kind of proud. So there's different kinds. I got at least 3 minimum of each, and these were all 50 cents. No, I'm sorry. They were 33 cents per washi tape. So washi tape, I don't know if you guys are familiar with it. It's not the cheapest product out there because it usually comes in packs and it's like $12 for a pack. And they're never that affordable, but I saw these and I'm like, I have to get them, I need them, and I got them. So I'm going to show you guys in like stacks. So as you can see, they're different kinds, and this one says Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Like I said, I got 82 different kinds. Some of them are from Michael's and some of them are from Amazon, because Amazon, I also saw them and they popped up, and I'm just like, I already got some, might as well get more. And then these are little candy canes. This one says thankful, and they don't come in packs, I'm just holding them like this. They're all like individual. This one says thankful. This one is Christmas trees, and this one says with love. And I love all of these actually because I can use them for different things, for our photo book that I'm actually making for my husband, or I can also make them for my bullet journal. I got these that say thank you, this one that says happy Easter, little bats for Halloween, and an anchor for like July when it's like summertime. And then let me see, so I got these also. This has the 4-day clover for St. Patrick's Day, more Easter ones, Christmas. This one actually has days of the month, so it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way to 31. So I like these because these would make bullet journaling more easy, or easier, and just put them down. And then let me go ahead and keep going with this. Okay, so the next couple ones that I got were these. This one also says Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then this is little confettis and little balloons. Next I got these. These are little hearts. I really fell in love with these. This one's really thin, but it's like snowflakes, and it's perfect for Christmas if you're wrapping like a small present, or if you're just like bullet journaling. This one also says no peeking, which I think is so cute for the little kids. When you're wrapping up their presents, you can just put this on there that says no peeking. And then I got these that say happy Halloween. This one right here, it has a little skull on it. And then this one that's actually a full skeleton. I wanted this as soon as I saw it, just because it's skeleton and it's perfect for Halloween. I got these little jack-o'-lantern ones and cupcake ones. I got this one that says Merry Christmas. This one that says to do, noted, and done, which again is perfect for bullet journaling if you're planning on keeping track of like what tasks you have to do, or what errands you have to run. And then these that I got right here, this is actually for fall, and then there's different kinds here. Like I said, I got a whole bunch of them. This one says ho 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 for Christmas. This one says cheers. So this one I think is perfect for when I'm doing the photo book for my husband, where like I just keep our Polaroids like all in a little photo book. This one says Happy New Year. This one has cute little hearts around it for Valentine's Day. And this one says Oh Happy Day. I don't know why I wanted this one. I think I just kind of picked it out because I only ended up getting one of these, and then I saw it and I'm like, oh, I didn't realize that I got this one. This one has little leaves for fall. And this one is perfect for like Wonder Woman or 4th of July if you like want to do a little trim on it. And then now we're moving on to Amazon because that's all I got at Michael's basically. But like I said, I got 3 each of each washi tape, and they were all 33 cents. So if, I don't know if that's still going on, but if it is, I suggest you go out there because they have so many. They have like a bin this huge, and they were full of washi tapes, like crazy amounts of washi tapes. And then this is the order that I got on Amazon. Actually, this is the foily kind, and I really like these because they're golden and sparkly. I'll actually link these down below in the description box, but these are really cute and foily, and they have like metallics in them, which I think is perfect. And you could use these for any occasion, or if you just want to add a little touch to something like a card or something like that. So these come in different colors, and I still haven't taken them out of the packaging. That's why you see them all. And then this was part 2 of what I got on Amazon. They're also washi tapes, and I will link these down below as well, but these are more like nature scenes, which I think I'm going to be using these more for a photo book because my husband and I like to go camping, and we like to go adventuring. So when we go on adventures like this, these are all perfect because it has like different themes. This one has like grass and the ocean and fall leaves. and a lake right there and a bridge. And then this one's more like nature setting, so it's more like with boats and rocks. This one actually reminded me of the Incredibles 1 when they're going through the rocks and Dash is running through it. So I thought this one was really cute. Okay, so Amazon. Next thing that I got on Amazon was actually this stencil set. It has 20 stencils on it, and these are perfect for bullet journaling because I'm not the greatest drawer out there in the world, but it comes with like different stencils for borders and cute little things. I'm just gonna try and show you guys these all quick. And then it has this one. See, so it's perfect if you want to make some squares, or if you're thinking of going with like patterns or like your mood trackers, even your to-do list. If you want to put things like your to-do list, your small to-do list or daily to-do list, you can use it with these. They also have bigger ones, and I like these with banners because every time I draw banners, they come out looking ridiculous, and I can never get the perfect banner, but practice does make perfect, and this will probably help me with making the banners. So it comes with like cute little things. See, this one even has a little Twitter bird, Facebook, and then as well the Snapchat ghost, Pinterest. So I thought these were really cute and really relevant to all the things that we use right now. So I really like these, and I'm very excited to be using these later on in the future. And has cute little travel, little animals out here. More banners, more florals. I think these would actually be perfect for like a wedding invitation. If you're doing your own DIY wedding invitations, you could probably get the stencil set and trace it out with a marker or with like a glitter pen or something like that. Here's more banners. This one that says love and has like random things down here. Circles, more banners, and lastly this bold type letters. So I got that from Amazon, and again, I will be linking these all down below. And then lastly, yes, I think I lost something, but lastly, I will be putting, or actually, yeah, found it. So I got this one. I got this off Amazon as well, and it's a little stamp, so I would be using it with this, where you can just put it right here, stamp it, and then stamp this onto the bullet journal if you didn't want to go ahead and write the days, or if you're doing a year at a glance where you wanted it to all fit in one page and make it smaller. So I thought this one was cute and like it's portable as well. Okay, so next is the Tuesday mornings. I didn't get that many things at Tuesday morning just because they're a little bit higher price. Like they're discount, but they're also like pricey. But this thing I found and I thought I need this because these are actually very expensive. They're glue runners. So if you guys do arts and crafts or have a Cricut or something along those lines, this is basically like a whiteout tape but with glue. So all you have to do is like go like this to it, and it's a double-sided glue. So if you want to fold the paper onto it, it's an adhesive. That's what it is. And it's really cute, and usually one of these is like $6 at Michael's or Joann's, and I got 4 of these for $6.99. I don't know if you guys can see the price right there. And then I also got cardstock, different kinds of papers. It comes with different colors right there. So I got this cardstock stack, and this was actually $4.99. So I thought, and these look like they're very high quality, and they have like imprints on them as well, so it like I could use these with my Cricut. I got this stamp. It's of a little caged birdie there. I found it in a bin, and I just thought this one was really cute. It reminded me of that Looney Tunes show, the little bird, the yellow bird. I can't think of the name, but the cat was always, Sylvester was always after the bird. This is what that reminded me of. And then I got these. These are actually large punch holes. I've been actually looking for these. It says Mr. and this one says Mrs. Although I already got married, but I feel like this would be cute to like, if someone's planning a wedding or something, you can like stamp it and throw it all over the table. But these are really cute. They're little stamps that you can just put the paper in and stamp it out. So yeah, I thought these are cute. These are usually more expensive, and I got them for $14.99. And then I got this little snowman, which would be great for Christmas. So this one, very excited to use for Christmas. I also got these blending kit markers. So these are more for like calligraphy, and it comes with like a black one and a white one and a little tray for it. And this is $5.99, so they're blending pens. So when I have like my little markers or like the dual-ended Tombow brushes and you want to blend them out, it basically helps you do that. And I love these, so I'm very excited. And lastly, the last thing that I got was stickers, because again, I'll never have enough stickers. I got these two that have like city writing on them. These are black and they're double-sided, so these are cute. I got these foamy type letters as well, and they're glittery. I'm kind of excited to use these, but also not, because I've already seen that the glitter falls a little bit, and I could see it on the back of it that it's like all stacked up. But it comes with different letters. I only got one of these. And then this one, which is more of a chrome gold look, and it's more like of a professional sticker, kind of. Like it has more professional font on it. So that's pretty much all I got. I mean, it was a lot that I got, but I got all of these and I'm very excited to use them. I will also be posting that DIY for because I'm making a washi tape display currently, but I will post that because I am using these for that specific DIY. But I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, please feel free to click the thumbs up button. If you don't like it, click the thumbs down button. Also, feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell for the notifications next time I post. I'm going to be trying to post a lot more videos soon, because I know I've been like out for like a month. But yeah, I hope you guys really like this video, and I look forward to making more videos for you guys. Bye!